Yo! Hi guys, how are you doing? So today we are going to be doing a makeup tutorial for beginners. Alright, this is a very simple makeup tutorial which is going to be for all of those who are just starting out with your makeup, and it's going to be covering all the basics, and I will also be giving away a kit including all the basics which you're going to be needing for starting your makeup, right? And at the beginning you don't need to do too much of contouring and highlighting. I wouldn't advise that. I started out very simple and I'll be showing you exactly what you should be doing so that you end up with a beautiful look and you have the confidence to carry it out. Because in the beginning, if you're just going to be, you won't be confident enough to do much. Like even now, there are so many bold looks I don't go for. So just without much ado, I'll get started and first show you the makeup tutorial. What are you going to need? The basics are foundation, eyes are very, very important. So your eyeliner, your mascara and and lipstick. This is the basic. Your eyebrows you can always use. I'll show you a couple of hacks. You can just use a nice dark cream eyeshadow, even a powder eyeshadow as for your eyebrows. It works really, really well. I've done it a number of times, and you'll be seeing how we can start with the makeup tutorial, and after that there is a giveaway. So stay tuned to the end of this. I'll be showing you the giveaway. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like this video, and let's get started.
So guys, I'll be starting with my Revlon Photo Ready foundation. You can use any foundation you like or any BB cream, CC cream, whatever you prefer. I'll be using my fingers to blend this in to show you, or you can also use a brush, whatever you're comfortable with and whatever tools you have. So just as long as you get a nice evened out foundation. The next thing is going to be the eyeshadow palette in Savannah colors. I don't generally use a eyeshadow palette for every day. I'll just show this to you though. So these are the two basic colors I'll be going in. The taupey one is just to create a nice even base on the eyelid to hide any pigmentations or veins and the like. The darker color will go into the inner corners to create a nice look of depth and definition. Just have to blend this out very nicely and very, very carefully. This is why I don't go for eyeshadow on an everyday basis. I rarely wear it in everyday life. The next thing I'll be using is my PAC eyeliner pencil. You can use any pencil or any eyeliner you like. So I'll be drawing a thin line on the upper lash line and just giving myself a small tiny little winged look. You can go for the cat eye as bigger or smaller as you like. I don't drag the liner all the way into the inner corners because if it smudges, it's going to give you raccoon eyes. A little hack is if you're not confident enough to draw the liner in a single stroke, just use small dots to just dot your eyelid and then slowly connect those dots. When the dots are connected, you'll end up with a nice fluid long line. After you connect the dots, just run your eyeliner over it in a very smooth way and voila, you'll have awesome eyeliner. Again, you can go with the wing as big or small as you like. It's totally your preference, as are all the products which I used. The next thing is going to be mascara, which is of course the star of the eyes show. So this is a fat wand, and the fatter the wand, the better and more voluminous your eyelashes are going to look. You have so many kinds of mascaras these days. Maybelline makes awesome ones. You've got lengthening mascaras, volumizing mascaras and whatnot. The last thing is this Miss Claire lipstick. I am going to use the most light shade, which will be of course listed in the description box. So the light nude shades, which are like always great for beginners, will be applied, and this is the final look. This is the last step of the look and we are pretty much done.
And now on to the giveaway. So I've been putting together a starter kit for quite a while now, and I have the receipts to show you. I brought everything with my own money, nothing is sponsored. So I'm going to start off with one of the most coveted and popular things I have been seeing. And guys, in my last giveaway I had wanted to give away this product, but it was out of stock. So can you believe that? It's such a popular product. This is the Lakme 925 Weightless Mousse Foundation. This is so popular and I wanted to pick one up for myself, but unfortunately they didn't even have my shade. This is in the shade 03, which is going to go with most skin tones. This is why I opted for this. This is such a gorgeous foundation. I can see what the hype is all about. When I swatched it was so silky, so satiny. It just gave a very airbrushed effect to even my hand, so you can imagine. The next thing is this Colorland eyeliner by Savannah. No makeup look is complete without an eyeliner, of course. I'll just show you what the bottle looks like. We won't be swatching anything, of course. Everything goes sealed and packed. Such a beautiful bottle. It's so Audrey Hepburn. Very beautiful bottle. The next thing I'll be showing you is this Sivana Colors Makeup Eyes and Cheek Palette. Guys, this is so beautiful. I just like fell in love. I of course won't swatch anything, but here is the palette. So you can see it's got some basic grays, a black, pinks for your highlight as well as for under your eyebrows, and it has got the blush. This here is the blush. This is a very, and you know Sivana colors are deeply pigmented. I love the Sivana brand, which is why I picked this up. The next thing is going to be this Soul Tree lipstick. I received this in one of my fab bags, I think. It's such a lovely shade, but I am like full of lipsticks, so I'll be giving this away. A very beautiful lipstick. This is, and I love the packaging. It's like very, very royal. See, look at that. It's very nice packaging. The next thing, of course, is mascara. This is the Essence brand of Plump No Clump in Deep Black. I've heard good things about this brand, and I know this mascara is going to be good. This, of course, is a must for any starter kit. Just curl your lashes, apply mascara, and you're good to go. Which brings me to the eyelash curler. So I'll be giving away this eyelash curler as well. And the last thing is this little bag I've filled up with assorted makeup sponges. I hope you can see that. So you've got some sponges for your eyes, for your cheeks, to just, Another little tip I can tell you is after you finish doing your makeup, you can just dampen one of these sponges and just press it onto your face for a very beautiful spray. Because sometimes I don't get setting sprays or setting mist, and sometimes I can't afford them. So this is a really, really nice trick I used to do earlier, and I still do it sometimes to this day. Just dampen the sponge and just press it onto your made up face very lightly, but the sponge has to be a little bit moist, and it's going to give you a very beautiful set finished makeup look. Other than that, you can just use it for your foundation or anything. So you'll be getting these. Let me just show these to you. I've got like 2 or 3 types in here. One is going to be this cute little pack. It's so cute. This is for under the eye, around the nose, and those tiny little places you can't reach. Then you've got a couple of these sponges and a couple of big ones. I guess these are for your foundation. So little baggie full of some of these assorted sponges. So you can be introduced to them. If you like them, you can pick them up. They're really inexpensive, and they're a great thing to have on hand. You can even pop some of these in your purse on the go. So this is all for the giveaway, and as usual, you know the rules. You need to be subscribed to my channel, because this is all only for subbies. You need to like this video and share it in all your social media. Guys, there is no need to follow me anywhere. You don't have to follow me on Instagram or Facebook or anything of the sort. Just share the video so we get more people participating in the giveaway. And this giveaway will be open. I'll be having all the dates down below, and that's about it. So till then, stay happy, stay beautiful, and I'll see you soon in my next video.